3 benefits of going keto. Going on a keto diet is one of the best ways to lose weight and take charge of your health. Because of how the keto diet forces your body to use fat for fuel instead of glucose, it is incredibly beneficial to your health. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you the 3 top benefits of going keto. Let's get started. 1. Weight loss. No doubt, if you've heard of the keto diet, then you know that it is a great way to lose weight. Studies show that the keto diet is one of the most effective diets for maintaining weight loss if you stick to it, especially at the beginning. The keto diet leads to weight loss because it forces you to burn ketones, not glucose. When you restrict your carbohydrate intake, your body is forced to use fat as your fuel. This means that you burn off fat for energy, allowing you to lose weight more easily. That is why the keto diet is one of the best diets for weight loss. However, you have to stick to the keto diet pretty seriously if you want to lose weight. You can't seesaw back and forth between your diet if you want to see any lasting results. 2. Reduces blood sugars and insulin levels. The keto diet is especially helpful for those with diabetes or prediabetes. Your body naturally runs off glucose, which requires insulin as a transporter. When you run off the ketones, though, you have reduced blood sugars and insulin levels because they don't require insulin like glucose. In fact, studies show that people with diabetes who take on a low-carb diet typically reduce their insulin dosage by about 50%. Even those with type 2 diabetes show a reduction in their glucose-lowering medication after going on a low-carb diet. 3. Reduces inflammation. Inflammation is your body's response to help you heal and fight against infection. Although inflammation is good when needed, chronic inflammation is painful and causes many negative side effects. Pain, joint stiffness, swelling, and fatigue are just a few examples of chronic inflammation symptoms. When you are in a regular state of ketosis, your body produces ketones. Ketones are a natural anti-inflammatory chemical. As a result, the ketones reduce inflammation in your body. More than this, the food that you eat while on a keto diet tends to be anti-inflammatory as well. Eggs, olive oil, and avocados are all anti-inflammatory, and you will probably eat a lot of them on a keto diet. Sugar and grains, on the other hand, promote inflammation and are restricted on the keto diet. Final thoughts. Going keto is a great way to take advantage of your health and make the most of your life. You can expect to lose weight, experience a reduction in blood sugars and insulin levels, and experience a reduction in inflammation. Although these are not all of the keto diet benefits, they are some of the most important.